Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about your future. Basically, if you don't have an AI assistant or a mobile app, your financial future could be compromised. This information is critical for your freedom. Ever dreamed of building your own app? Today, we're turning that idea into reality with a complete beginner's roadmap to launch. 1. Who is the app for? 2. What problem does it solve? What's the one thing it should do really well? App building is simply problem solving through software. It looks complex, but we will break it down into manageable, actionable steps. Front end is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and Vue. Back end is Node.js, Python, Django, and Flask. Finally, database is PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MongoDB. Building an app is essentially turning an idea into software that solves a problem. Whether you're creating a mobile app, web app, or desktop app, the process is similar. To create an app, you need to navigate a structured life cycle from conceptualization and development methodology to final testing and App Store deployment. Phase 1 is planning. Before coding, define your core concept. Plan the features. 1. List the core features first, called the minimum viable product or MVP. Create tasks, mark tasks complete, delete tasks, and save tasks. Next, define your minimum viable product or MVP. This is the simplest version of your app that still provides immediate value. This is the most stripped-down version of your app that still offers immediate user value. Like, what does my app do? Who is going to use it? What problem does it solve? Why would someone download it? What makes it different from other apps? Will it be free, paid, or supported by advertising? Will user need accounts? Will the app need an internet connection? What specific problem does your app solve for your target users? There are several major types of apps. Mobile apps are designed for smartphones and tablets. iPhone apps, Android apps, games, fitness apps, social media app, shopping apps. Web apps operate on a web browser, like online banking, Gmail, YouTube, online stores, and project management applications. Isolate one definitive issue. Instead of a generic fitness app, think 10-minute daily workouts for busy professionals. Precision is key. Also, desktop apps that run on computers like video editors, music applications, accounting software, and file management programs, or multiple platforms apps. There is also a no-code option. This is the easiest approach for someone who doesn't know programming. You use visual tools to build the application. Now choose your development path. You don't always need to code. No-code tools like Bubble allow visual assembly of layouts. Path A, the no-code and AI route. Software like Goodbarber of Knack uses automated visual systems to construct responsive layouts and handle simple workflows without an external database. Cross-platform framework is highly recommended if you want to maintain a single codebase that runs seamlessly on both iOS and Android. Utilize framework like Flutter or React Native. There are two main types of apps. First, we have Android apps developed using Kotlin or Java inside the Android Studio environment. Then the second is iOS apps are mainly developed using the Swift language inside Apple's official Xcode IDE. The Mac computer is mandatory to sign, package, and upload iOS apps. Then we have AI app builders platforms like Google AppSheet allow you to initiate development by using direct text prompts like building a calorie tracker with a modern design and local data storage to auto-generate fully workable code bases. To begin as a beginner and want to eventually build both Android and iPhone applications, Flutter is one reasonable place to start. If you need full hardware integration, go native. Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android offer maximum performance and security. First, create screens, drag buttons onto the screen, create forms, connect databases, create workflows, and publish the application. This can be useful for prototypes, simple business applications, directories, forms, marketplaces, and other relatively straightforward projects. You can visually build much of the application, but write codes when you need something more complicated. Map your user flows. Ensure any core feature is accessible within 3 clicks. Shallow navigation creates a seamless user experience. You do not necessarily need coding experience to build a functional application. Choose the path that matches your technical skill level and budget. Designing the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, transforms your logic into functional visual paths. A prototype is a visual version of your app that demonstrates how it works without necessarily having all the real functionality. This allows you to discover problems with your design before spending a lot of time programming. AI generation tools like AppSheet can even build functional code bases from text prompts. Just describe your app and watch it form. Don't immediately start programming. First, draw the application. You can literally use a piece of paper. Imagine you're building a food delivery app. You might have to start by the first 5 screens. 1. Welcome page with app logo, sign in and create account. 2. Home page with search, restaurants, categories and featured food. 3. The business name, prices, add to chart. Cart items, quantity, total and checkout. Orders with order confirmation and delivery status. Phase 2 is design. Start by sketching wireframes. Use tools like Figma to map out the flow. Develop and test the app to set up your engineering pipeline or visual workflow to piece your design elements and front-end and back-end logistics together. Build core features, including login systems, navigation bars, interactive user forms, and API integrations. Apply consistent styling. Establish a cohesive color palette and typography rules to ensure your app looks professional on every screen. This phase covers technical fundamentals. Think of the front end as what users see and the back end as the invisible engine. Simulate and test your application inside virtual device emulators. Ensure you transition to real physical device testing to evaluate real-world touch targets, battery drains, and connectivity interruptions. Most useful applications need a database. A database stores information. For example, a social media application might store, like username, email, profile picture, post, followers, and messages. Databases handle your data, while APIs allow different software parts to talk to each other. Secure these with robust authentication. We can now start building and testing. Use virtual emulators to find bugs, then transition to real physical device testing. Testing is extremely important. Try everything with account testing by create an account, log out, log back in, enter the wrong password, try an invalid email and reset the password. Don't fear bugs. Debugging is a natural cycle. Evaluate touch targets, battery drain, and how the app behaves without internet. Effective application debugging requires an isolated environment, structured logs, and specialized diagnostic tools. Depending on your development platform, the specific tools and methodologies vary significantly across mobile, web, and desktop environments. Publish to the app stores. Once your code package is optimized and bug-free, prepare for distribution. Acquire developer accounts by register for an Apple developer accounts $19.99 a year, or a Google Play console account, $25 one-time fee. Produce store metadata by write keyword-optimized App Store descriptions, format high-resolution screenshots highlighting core workflows, and complete explicit privacy policy questionnaires. Then launch. Register for Apple or Google developer accounts and prepare your high-resolution App Store screenshots. Upload your signed binary code package for formal App Store certification. Review timelines typically span from 24 hours to a few days before official publication. Once submitted, the review process takes a few days. Then, it's live. Start the loop of gathering feedback and launching updates. You don't need to become an expert before building your first app. Build while you're learning. Building an app is a journey. From a basic money tracker to a premium tool, start small, but start today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.